Here we are, 4 o'clock on the afternoon of whatever this day is, the 10th, and we're getting snow. As you can probably see, I'd say right now it's coming down at 2 to 3 inches an hour. And you can get a good look down our street. As you can see, there's a lot of somebody snow blowing. Here's our pile by our front driveway. There's looking down the street. Just slowly looking around here. Here comes somebody down the street. Let's see. Maybe you can see. Here's a pile. Oh, they're having fun. And here's our pile here. Our mailbox. The pile next to the van. Here's the van, which I have to go clean off after I take these pictures. Haven't done it yet. Here's our pile by the driveway. We'll go down and get the snowman. I can't. Oh, I forgot the hat. But here's just kind of somebody done a snow blowing here. Alright, take a break.